G'day, it's Steve from Lovells Adelaide, and today we'll be going over this LC79 series Land Cruiser. I've got a few here to show you today. This one in particular, we'll be taking this one from a GVM of 3300 up to 4200, and we'll be taking the gross combination mass to 7400. This client's got this one set up with an ARB bull bar on the front. He's gone with a steel tray on the back end, an open tray with a timber floor. This particular customer will be utilising this vehicle as a farm vehicle. Currently, I've got about 8 of these 79 series. They're one of our most popular upgrades that we do. Over here, I've got a single cab. This particular single cab is a cab chassis at this stage. The client will be putting a service body on the back, so a gull wing lift up door for camping. This vehicle is in for a GVM of 3900 and a gross combination mass of 7400. This particular vehicle, we've already fitted the suspension, and you'll clearly see in the back end of the car the new leaf springs and the new rear shocks. This one here, another single cab. So this particular vehicle's in today to have a upgrade of 4200. It'll be getting that gross combination mass of 7400. There again, being a single cab, it's been decked out with a steel tray, timber floor. It's got a factory Toyota bull bar with the matching side rail kit. This car also will be used as a farm vehicle. This upgrade can be done through your Toyota dealer, or you can come direct to Lovells Adelaide here at Edwardstown, and we can take you through the options that we've got for your particular vehicle.
Here we are under a 2021 LC79 dual cab. I've already installed the full GVM GCM suspension upgrade in here. Here we have the new suspension. You can see it's quite a bit beefier to be able to carry the extra weight and load of them. Our Lovells greasable shackles, and also the Lovells Gas Legend shock absorbers. So also another thing we have to do with incorporated into this GVM upgrade is an extended handbrake cable. So this extended handbrake cable bracket, it just helps take a bit of slack out of the cable, pulls it tight, makes the handbrake actually lock up and work. Clearance-wise, with the suspension upgrade for the GVM, you'll gain 50mm of lift. Just gives you a lot more clearance under the vehicle, gives you a lot more articulation to get over rocks and obstacles out on the track. In our time, we're probably doing upwards 1 of these a day. Being with the Toyota, they're designed and made for the Australian market. It's just a very reliable workhorse and a very reliable rig and base to then improve and work on. Here we are now down to the front axle, the front of the vehicle. Involved in this GVM and all of our 79s, they get the new front coil and the new front shock absorber just behind it. We also have to include inside these, in the front arms, the caster bushes. Because we have now lifted the vehicle, they get new caster correction bushes installed inside of them. Heading on forwards, because the Land Cruiser is built and designed for the Australian market, the engineers, when they're designing the kit, they found the radiators intercools on these cars to be very sufficient, hence they don't need the upgrading. You'll notice here I'm holding the factory 79 indicators, and you notice on this vehicle, it's been upgraded. So because of the increased weight, we need to put a Cat 6 indicator on there. So that's a rearward facing side indicator. So the old one comes out, the new one gets installed.